It's 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, snipers. I had to get out this emergency update as we have PPI numbers coming out in less than 6 hours at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then tomorrow, October 13th, we have CPI numbers coming out. Does this indicate that we have a potential move in the immediate short term with Bitcoin's volatility becoming extremely stagnant, which is usually a precursor to a major move? Let's check out some important indicators, snipers. Shout out to NT Guild on our Discord for posting this yesterday. 3 important indicators to watch right now. The most important is the bullish inverted hammer candle on the weekly chart for Bitcoin. This is the second one in a row. And then we have bearish divergence with the DXY. And in the immediate short term, a hidden bullish divergence for Bitcoin on the 4-hour. And then check this out, snipers. The Fear and Greed Index has just formed a bullish divergence for the equity markets. And so with the DXY finding resistance so far, we have not seen the DXY move back above 114 to form new yearly highs, exactly as we've been predicting here on the Snipers channel. Does this indicate that with these important numbers coming out in the next 24 to 48 hours, there could be a nice relief rally to the upside, maybe even taking Bitcoin back above 20,000 US dollars? Here are the early signs of this, snipers. Number one, the most important is going to be Bitcoin against SPY. Because we're having a cup of coffee at this major resistance, it means it's not the final destination. Any break above this resistance to invalidate this descending triangle, I will get an emergency update out to you, snipers. That's the first indicator we're looking for. The most important is Bitcoin against SPY. And then Bitcoin inside of this extremely tight range right now. We'll even have to go into the 4-hour to show you exactly how tight this range is. Bitcoin acting like a stable coin. This is all we need to know in order to determine the next move. Any full 4-hour candles below 19,057, the previous weekly open, opens up the door to downside. It's not a coincidence, snipers. We have yet to get any full 4-hour candles below this level. I'm talking wicks and body. We have not gotten one. And then, of course, 19,800 to the upside. If we can get confirmations above it, that's going to be a break to the upside. And so what's happening with the DXY? We haven't continued to form new yearly highs after facing this multi-year resistance level exactly as we predicted. The S&P 500, because of that, has yet to form new yearly lows, but we are walking a tightrope here. 35.93 is extremely important. We're currently above it, so that's a positive thing. The NASDAQ did form new yearly lows, but that's no big deal when we have bearish divergence with the DXY. So Bitcoin against SPY is extremely important. Quickly, Ethereum holding above 65,000 Satoshis. That's what we want to see. And then more importantly, for the US dollar pairing, we need to hold above 1277. That is the major support right now. We also have confluence now with the previous weekly open there. So the same way Bitcoin's in a tight range, Ethereum's in a range between 1440 and 1277, snipers. I had to get out this emergency update with PPI numbers coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we have CPI numbers coming out tomorrow. Could we be seeing a move here in the immediate short term? That's certainly on the table, snipers. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you support this content. And until next time, snipers,